and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be putting up the 2-man spectator tent from the range. Ordered it online, paid a delivery fee, and it basically came the next day. The brand is called Active Sport, so it's the Active Sport 2-man spectator tent. The reason I got this pop-up tent was because I take my 2 girls camping and we have an Ergo Solus 4 tent. It has a living area and a bedroom area, but we just need that little bit of extra space. Wanted a section or an area where my children and I could eat our meals, or maybe put our blow-up sofas in, and instead of buying an extension for my tent, because it's really hard to find an extension for the Ergo Solus range. I don't know if anyone knows of one. If you do know a porch or anything that will fit the Ergo Solus, please leave a comment below. So yeah, instead of paying out for a big extension and something else for me to put up on my own, I thought I would go for a pop-up tent, and today I'm going to show you what I think of it. The reviews were bad because it said that people had a struggle. It was a real struggle with putting the tent back down again, the spectator tent. And have a look at how I got on. I would say I'm quite good at packing things away, folding things up. I've been camping now for quite a few years, and I reckon I'm pretty organised when it comes to getting my gear away. I'd say it was a little bit heavier to carry than I thought it was going to be, but first time putting a tent like this up, a pop-up tent. I haven't used this brand before, so please be kind. I do have a camping blog. It's called www.campingandcruising.com. Show you a few things. First of all, the door. The toggles feel quite loose. They're not the tightest. They keep coming undone quite a lot. And then the ground sheet seems to be smaller than the tent, and I don't feel like I haven't really stretched the tent out. So when I use this, I'll put a carpet on the bottom. The pegs, like with any camping gear, you're gonna swap them around for proper tent pegs. Here are the hooks for the guidelines. I haven't put the guidelines on yet. They're for the guidelines. And as you can see, there's quite a few guideline hooks. You see that? Another one. The bottom, the back of the tent is private. It's very warm in there, but overall I would say it was a little bit tricky to get up, but once the tent was out of the bag and it had found its own bearings of how to open, it felt okay. And I think when I do put the guidelines on and secure it properly, it's a very windy day today. You can see that the trees are on the go. It's quite dark and grey. It's incredibly windy actually. I think that once that's secured properly, that would make a really good little dining tent for me and my girls. I'll try and get it back in the bag. Yeah. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe.